wabarakatuh. Good morning, how are you today? I hope you guys are happy and healthy today. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Amna Harina and now I'm in the 8th grade of Bilingual Junior High School. And now guys, I want to tell you guys a story about one of valley in Java. It's specifically in Gresik, it's Java Island. So, let's get started. Blambangan. There was a name of the kingdom ruled by King Manak Sembuyu. And you know guys, King Manak Sembuyu had a wife and a beautiful daughter named Dewi Sekardadu. One day, Dewi Sekardadu goes to the forest. She wants some fruit to eat at night. But she got bitten by a stranger animal. Ah! Don't bite me! Don't bite my beautiful skin! It's hurt! Go away! Just go away! After that, Dewi Sekardadu got a stranger illness that everyone can't cure it. Then the king said, and now for all people in this country, whoever can cure my daughter, I will give you the prize. A lot of people come to the palace, but no one can cure it. Until the day that Maulana came to the palace and said to the king, Your Majesty, I will cure the princess. Please for me. Then after that, Maulana said I will do and do we pray. And after that, he cured the princess, and the princess' illness was disappear after that. And the princess wake up and look at the mirror. Oh my God, my beautiful face! My beautiful face is come back! Thanks, Maulana. As the king promised, Maulana and Dewi Sekardadu got married after that. Guys, how sweet is that? Here news, Majapahit Bajul Senggara was jealous of it. Who is he? Who is man? A man like him? Born a princess? No, it can't be happen. He must die. He must destroy it. Then he said to the king that Maulana and Dewi Sekardadu must be separated because Maulana will destroy the palace. 2 months after her husband left, Dewi Sekardadu gave a birth of a beautiful baby boy. Here news again, Majapahit Bajul Senggara was angry and used this accident as an opportunity to break their happiness. He said to the king, Your Majesty, according to a famous shaman of this country, your grandson is will destroy the palace, soon or later. The king was afraid and confused about it. He goes to Dewi Sekardadu and saw Dewi Sekardadu was by the baby. Lavender green, the little lavender blue. When I am green, the little you'll be mine. Oh, my daughter, I really miss my grandson so much. Can I have it? Of course, Papa. Here is it. Then the bad idea came to the king's mind. He called the servant. Hey, servant, come here. Yes, Your Majesty. Throw this baby to the ocean right now, or you will die. Oh my gosh, Your Majesty, how can I throw this beautiful little baby boy to the ocean? Just do it right now. Then Dewi Sekardadu was confused. Where is and was? He asked the king, Papa, where's my son? Then the king was confused and said to Dewi Sekardadu, I don't know. Where's my grandson was? I put him to her box. Then Dewi Sekardadu was confused and screamed, Oh my God, Papa, my beautiful little baby boy is gone. Papa, please help me. And the king was acting again. Oh my God! Call all servant right now! Call all servant! Then he secretly said to the leader of the servant, Hey, don't even try to find my grandson, or you will die. And then the servant, waiting for a fashion set, as soon as he saw one, he rose his chest and threw away the baby. And the baby was found by Nyi Ageng Pinati, a wealthy businesswoman in Gresik. Oh my god, how beautiful baby boy! How beautiful is baby boy! Now I named you Joko Samudro. Then Raden Ampel suggested to Nyi Ageng Pinati to change the name from Joko Samudro to Raden Paku, so that the name would not remind him to the story when he was a baby he thrown into the ocean by the king. At the age of 16, Raden Paku was told by Sunan Ampel to go to the Pasai. And you know guys, at the Pasai, he met her father again. And after that, he found a pesantren located at the highline to make him earn a nickname Sunan Giri. So that's all my story. By the way guys, what you can learn from the story? Maybe what you can learn from the story is about don't be affectionate. So that's all my performance. I hope you guys are enjoyed. Sorry if I make any mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.